So, first day on set, working as assistant director on Hammer to Anvil. We have all the needles ready. I injected the blood. I didn't go to medical school, but Dad, I can work the needle. That we're good. Didn't go to medical school, but still working like one.
I mean, you could always bring it in.
Yeah.
Bryce, you got your color checker with you?
I don't. It's in my Pelican.
I have one too, but it's mini.
So the only thing is like.
I want you to go back.
That's a wrap on day one, boyos! We tired. We tired as fuck. Alright, y'all. It's day 2 on Hammer into Anvil. I'm assuming my position yet again as assistant director. I'm tired. But we're gonna make it work because I'm a crackhead. Once work starts, I'm focused. So, yeah, we're just shooting our little scene this morning. And the day will go.
We got the pad all fixed up?
Yes.
Buenos dias, y'all. I'm sorry I did not end out the second day of filming, but it was really good. Really good, really funny. Lots of great moments. And now we are on day 3. Ooh. My English muffin is ready. And I will try my best to vlog whatever I can for the rest of today.
Mother even said I was a stranger. Imposter. Goran was the only one that understood. He protects me. He loves me.
Alright, y'all. So my little 5' nothing ass, I'm 5'5" by the way, hung up these fucking felt shit. And then these ones all here. And some inside as well, like, bitch. I didn't do that though. I did the ones on the inside. And the doorway right here. And the little everything there. So many goddamn bugs here, y'all. I can't. But yeah. Bitch, they don't call me manual labor for nothing.
There's enough going on in this, and it's visually interesting enough where you can do all that.
I think he needs to come in more, doesn't he?
Yeah. Closer?
Yes. He might need to be more this way.
Hey y'all, so it's day 4 of filming. I forgot to end day 3. Oops. This is what's going on. Hihihi. Tokyo-san. Yeah. Our DP Bryce. Alrighty, now it's finally my turn to film and not be a slave to the set. Get to act. And my co-star, superstar, porn star, Santiago Sky.
We have our first scene together. It's gonna be an icebreaker.
Or something else is gonna break.
We're gonna be in a bed. Who knows what's gonna happen?
A bed. Wow, that's fancy. You got good money. All right, so we just finished day 4 of shooting. We had our bed scene where we cuddled together and our dinner scene where I told him he's a no good piece of shit because he's not paying attention to me. And I finished this entire bottle of wine. Almost about to finish it. And yeah, I'm gonna sleep well tonight. Bye!
1. Action.
I'm sorry things didn't work out in Barcelona the way you wanted.
I'm not. The production company treats bottoms like shit. They're really mad that I wouldn't do more than 3 scenes a day. Fuck. My ass has limits. I can't stand pain. It hurts me.
Still with the Bugs Bunny quotes.
That was Daffy Duck.
Sorry. Why didn't you tell me you were coming back?
I didn't know how to silence the alarm on your phone, so I just stuck it in the microwave. You said you had no plans today, and I listened for calls and text notifications, so relax. I'm not very good at relax. Breakfast will be ready in a few minutes. Highly caloric, unhealthy. Yep, and I've had a little talk with Mrs. Beal. She thinks we should take her for a long walk in Riverside Park after we eat. She says, all work and no play makes John Drake a very humble. I have a lot of work to do.
Y'all, day 5 is done! We done so funzo. Oh, why can't I zoom in? Why can't I zoom in? I don't think you
gotta
can
zoom in, I'll come to you!
And we just have, I think, like, what, one more scene together? The park scene?
Yep. Exterior scene.
Hey y'all, so we are on day 7. I didn't really film the rest of day 6 because it was just a really long, repetitive day. And get a load of this. It goes into the freaking gas station. All done on and makeup.
Freak out.
It's so funny. Oh my god. So we're headed to the desert now. It's almost 6 a.m. Be there soon. The sunrise should be soon. Well, I think at 6:45. That's what I set my alarm for. So these are the salt plains. This is what we're trying to make look like our desert Afghan Iraq scene. Yeah, it's really pretty. I'm like fucking in love with this cotton candy sky sunrise. I can't wait to dig when 1 mile. Oh yeah, because since these are salt plains, you can get salt here. I don't know if like this is even really the salt right here. I'm not gonna lick it, but it's quite pretty. And you know, I wore all white just to really get the effect. It's cold though. Right now in the morning, it's like 66 degrees. And a little Floridian house is just. I am just a little chilly. And because I got my little Tatiana shorts on, but like as Cardi B says, a hoe never gets cold. Period. Ugh. There's a fly. See? I don't know if you can see, but it says dig when 1 mile. So we'll check back later, y'all. Oh, y'all, this is beautiful.
That was it. Boom.
Video fantasy right now.
I'm sorry, what?
Oh no, I'm trying to.
No, bitch. Oh shit. With the sun in the background and everything. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Oh shit. Bitch, you better get it. Oh. All right now. Alright, and then I'm just gonna. Should we just rack focus here?
Yeah.
Let's do that.
So you said I shouldn't move?
Don't move.
Oh, don't move.
Don't move. Just like be looking up scared at him. Done wearing the prosthetics for the day. Okay. And, you know, I'm a little bit bloody, but that's okay. And I've picked up a straggler along the way. Not sure if I'm gonna keep him, but, you know, may just leave him behind. He's exhausting. I think I only have enough water for one, so I don't have any food with me. He just keeps following me and dancing. I'm not quite sure what to do. Maybe I should just run away from him. Oh God, he's chasing me.
Hey y'all, so I finished with day 7 early. We just did the desert scene. I thought we were gonna do more, you know. Even though we woke up really early, we got to rest. I slept like 2 hours after we got back to the Airbnb and had some lunch. But I was ready to go out and party or film some more because, you know, time is money. But we got to relax. We had some nice cast bonding time. We watched a scary movie together. We watched Malignant on HBO. I liked it. And yeah, tomorrow day 8. I speak duck, y'all. I took it in high school. I took AP Goose. Wow, I just said duck and goose. Not even the same fucking thing. Oops. Okay, y'all, so... I'm not sure if somebody knocked or not. Did somebody knock? Nope, nobody. It's just in my imagination. So this is just, you know, my little casual... Here, let me place y'all here somewhere. One moment. My little casual day walk dog look. Cause we're gonna walk the dog. We're gonna walk Mrs. Pale. So today is day 8. Day 7 yesterday wasn't really much to film. It was just a really long day. The wind in the park was just acting up. And yeah. We're gonna walk some dogs by the river today. So I will catch y'all. Oh my God, I can't hold the camera. I'll catch y'all later there. The room is a mess. Just like me. Hot mess. Alright, y'all. So we've just wrapped up the park dog walking scene. Had to change because too many brands, but Calvin Klein, Ruben Galarreta sponsor me. But we still kept it slutty. And my co-star, not that one, this one. Mobile. Such a good girl. Ooh, she's adorable. Then this one. I don't know why he won't fuck me on set yet, but whatever. Not really, it's just part of the dialogue.
What's up?
Y'all, it is so nice. Day 9, getting to shoot where we're staying in our Airbnb, so I didn't have to like really get up super early or anything. Got to eat my breakfast right there. Was not in a rush for nothing. Get to be comfortable. Right now we're just setting up this little car scene shot. So we have this thing, I forget what it's called, but it's basically block out the light and whatnot. And then you have the camera right there. And Then I finally get to act again as a dead corpse. I have no dialogue, and I get to be contorted. Get to show off my contortion skills.
He is in the background more, but I just wanted to see it. Yep, that's perfect. Okay. And action. Actually, you know what? Go back. When I say action, give me 4 Mississippi so we can just see his face. 3, 2, 1. Action. Action.
Look, come on, serve it, work it. Come on, flip the hair. Give me some of that. Yes, yes, yes. Where'd you get the inspiration from? Kim K has nothing on you, girl.
No, she doesn't.
Where did you get the shoes from? My God.
They're by a brand, Great Value. Look them up. They're functional. We finished. I finished my last day. I got to be a dead corpse.
Oh, I got some great photos of you.
I think I made the best dead corpse ever. I want to get a Nami. Bitch. I want to get an Emmy for playing Fuck, I can't even speak right now. I'm like so loopy.
Can I take this?
What is that? Oh, no.
No.
What are you trying to do with gaffing tape on my hair?
Look, come on, serve it, work it. Come on, flip the hair. Give me some of that. Yes, yes, yes. Where'd you get the inspiration from?
Bless you.
Kim K has nothing on you, girl.
Thank you.
And now he touches my hair with his snot-filled hands.
Look, come on,
I
serve
don't
it,
know what to
work
do
it.
with this.
Come on, flip the hair. Give me some of that. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
Where'd you
I'm
get the
just gonna
inspiration
end
from?
this.
We're trying to get him to stop swinging his hair.
Why?
He's gonna
It's
injure
the
himself.
essence of my power.
He's gonna injure himself. Oh my God.
The hairography.
Hairography?
And he
Why do you have
misses
like
this.
why do
He
you have
always
like
misses this
permanent bitch
But-
face on right now?
Who, me?
Yes. You're giving side eye like
No!
No, stop. That's no. Oh. He's possessed now.
Alright, so the world has to know, Santi. How was my world-class head?
First of all,
Did I snatch your soul like Ursula the Sea Witch?
Yes, he did. I love the favorite part he did was whenever he said, "Come here,
Come
little
here,
buddy."
little guy.
That was my favorite part.
No, y'all, literally, we're not sucking dick for real on set. But like he said, I just have my hood on like this because, you know,
And all you had to do.
I'm DL and anonymous. I can't let people know I do that gay shit.
Show him what you had to do.
I'm literally just hitting my head against my hand like this. It's so it reads on camera.
It's very awkward. That's how you do blowjob scenes in film.
Oh my god.
Bang your head into your hand.
Bang your head into your hand. Just like that.
Yeah. You want me to call it?
Call it.
Action.
This is the martini shot of hammer into anvil. We're getting a wide of our lead, Santiago Sky, jogging. This is what I call voiceover fodder. And he just tripped and ruined the shot. Go back.
Stupid bitch! That bitch can't even run on it properly. That was such a good shot, dude. What a dumb bitch.
Alright, y'all, I did not rap on Tulsa yesterday, but it's like 6 something in the morning. Me and Santi had the same flight to Houston, but he goes to Austin because he has a performance at MonsterCon. Ooh, bushy. But me, I'm going back to New York. Apartment hunting, getting my things done. We didn't get to say goodbye to Tokyo-san. It's okay, we partied last night, so it's fine. I'm so tired, I'm gonna sleep on the plane. Do not disturb me. I'm the Pokemon Fletzel. Royalty.
Even your airport ticket was extra. It made an extra noise.
Because I'm in the exit row.
Mine was very funny.